Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. It's been a couple of weeks since we did a video, but between work and my laser business, we've been pretty busy, okay? But what I've been seeing a lot of is people doing these candied bacon crackers using these Kellogg's Club crackers here, and I'm interested in seeing how these things taste, okay? So we're going to be doing a quick video today. We're going to be taking these club crackers, covering them with bacon, hitting them with some seasoning, and throwing them on the RECTEQ 1070. So hey, hang around and let's get this stuff prepped up. All right, guys, like I said before, we're gonna lay our crackers out here. But first I wanna show you my bacon. So here I just got some regular thickness, not the extra thick Oscar Mayer bacon here, cut into thirds, okay? And over here, I have some of the vegetarian bacon. Now, a lot of you guys that have been watching me for a while know my wife doesn't eat meat, but I have some vegetarian bacon here. And then what I did, because vegetarian bacon is lacking in a lot of fat, I brushed these with some duck fat to give it some fattiness, and to see if that helps to candy the bacon on top of the crackers. So let's go ahead and get this laid out. All right, we'll lay out our crackers. And I'm assuming that you can use any type of cracker that you want. I guess these would be good with rich crackers, or maybe with those crackers that have pretzel on one side and cracker on the other. And it's okay if the bacon is just a little bit bigger than the cracker, because the bacon is going to shrink, of course. All right, let me get all this bacon laid out and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so you see we got our bacon laid out on top of our crackers. On the outside is the regular Oscar Mayer bacon, and on the inside is the vegetarian bacon by Morningstar. And we just want to start sprinkling, see if we can sprinkle some sugar, brown sugar on top each one of these, because it's all about making the bacon candy. And these are supposed to make some great appetizers, so we will see. All right, guys, and so for our seasoning we use today, I figured a little sweetness with a little heat would be nice. So we're going to use the Killer Hogs Barbecue Hot Barbecue Rub as our final ingredients. We're going to hit these liberally because you want a little sweetness, you want a little heat. All right, guys, that's about it. We're going to shake off some of the excess sugar so it can fall through the grates and not burn inside of the smoker. And there we have it. So we're going to put these in the RECTEQ 1070 at 250 degrees, and it should take anywhere between 75 and 90 minutes to cook. All right, let's get her on the RECTEQ. All right, we got the RECTEQ. Should have been going at 250 degrees now for about an hour, so she's up to temp. We're going to slide these bad boys on like so. And we'll come back and check them in an hour, and we'll see what we get. All right, guys, it's been an hour now. Looks like I might have had a little bit too much sugar on some of them. Or if you take a look at this, it looks like the ones that are the vegetarian bacon doesn't have enough fat to really melt the sugar. But we're going to let them keep going some. I might spritz these to see if, spray them with a little bit of Pam or something to see if I can get this to melt. All right, guys, like I said, I'm going to take a little butter Pam, and I'm going to hit the veggie ones a little bit to see if that helps. All right, and we'll check it out in about 30 minutes. All right, guys. So we finished with our little candied bacon crackers here, okay? And let me just say, I think I put a little bit too much sugar, a little heavy-handed on the brown sugar. I think next time what I'll do is like I did my other bacon candy or candied bacon, I dipped the bacon in the brown sugar. That way it eliminated having all that excess brown sugar on top of it. But we're gonna go ahead and try this. Now this is the regular bacon one with brown sugar and the cracker. And you can see from the bacon fat that the cracker itself has gotten kind of a little crispy and chewy. So let's go ahead and have a bite of this one. Oh yeah, these are great. Now, I wouldn't want to eat a whole bunch of these in case you want to take your blood sugar level up. But these are fantastic, man. The cracker is crispy yet chewy. The bacon is nice and candied. I get some heat from the Killer Hogs hot barbecue rub. This is just a perfect appetizer, man. If you're having a party or something like that, man, you can't go wrong with this. And you make a bunch of them since it's 1/3 of a slice of bacon. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one off. Okay, so here we have the vegetarian bacon. And like I said, I got a little bit too much sugar on here, so you can keep the comments to yourself. I got a little bit too much sugar on these, okay? But the thing is that since the veggie bacon didn't have a lot of fat to them, the cracker didn't get as chewy as it did with the regular bacon. All right, so it still got some crispiness to it, um, and but it's got some firmness to the bacon. So let's go ahead and have a bite of this one. Now, surprisingly, this one is good also. I get the same sweetness, of course, the same level of heat. The cracker is not quite as adhered to the bacon as it was with the vegetable bacon as it was to the regular bacon, just because of the lack of fat. So I have to find a way to kind of compensate for the lack of fat. So because the cracker is still crispy and it kind of separated from it once you bit into it. But surprisingly, another flavor element to this one is that there's a nutty flavor to it, which is surprising and really, really good. So if you want to make these for somebody who don't eat meat, this is definitely a way to go with the vegetarian bacon. You can't go wrong with either one of these, okay? Well, that's all we have time for today. Hey, if you guys are interested in a RECTEQ smoker, check out recteq.com. Matter of fact, RECTEQ just came out with 2 new grills, 2 smaller grills like the Road Warrior, and there's another one. So check them out. Fantastic grills, fantastic customer service, okay? And that's about it. So, hey, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker. Veggie bacon or regular bacon. You can't go wrong with either one. See you guys in the next video.